Questions continue to surround what's happening at many local nursing homes. The state has not released what patients' families have been asking for, specific data on infections at each facility. Nicole Ford is live in Westmoreland County. She spoke with a family whose mother tested positive at Pleasant Ridge Mature Living. Nicole.
Ken, it's the unknown of what's happening that's causing the concern to grow. The Pleasant Ridge Mature Living facility doesn't have to release the number of confirmed cases that they have, but family members say if they knew that number, it would allow them to really know truly what was going on.
I would say it's at least a month that they said she tested positive, and we've never heard anything since.
Brenda Ribbett's 89-year-old mother has spent the last year and a half at Pleasant Ridge Mature Living in Allegheny Township. Ribbett says her mother has not had any COVID-19 symptoms, but that doesn't stop the fear.
I don't know if they've been tested again, or how often they do test them. I don't know.
She tells me she wants to know how many cases are in her mother's home and if anyone has died.
Give us some comfort. There's not that many people there that they can't have somebody call.
When I called the facility for answers, a manager told me no comment. Yet a statement was released by facility management on social media that reads in part, "We have tested all of our residents for coronavirus. We have a number of residents that have tested positive. We've been extremely transparent with our resident families and with all agencies involved." Allegheny Township Manager Greg Prim tells me the facility has about 50 residents. He says there were multiple positive cases in mid-March, but he never knew the specific numbers.
As of today's date, it's pretty much status quo as it has been the last few weeks. We're just aware that there are outbreaks in the facility and that we've helped them with PPE at this point.
Meanwhile, the Department of Health originally said those numbers would be released last week.
I think there was some hope that we'd be able to report it last week, but it turns out that the data has started to be collected yesterday, and we're going to start the reports tomorrow.
The state tells me it could be the end of the week before families like Ribbett actually get to see those numbers. Now, Dr. Levine says that the deadline for facilities to submit that information is today. Now, if a facility does miss the deadline, the state will continue to push them until they comply. We're live in Westmoreland County tonight. Nicole Ford, KDKA News.